DJI is once again stirring excitement in the world of portable cameras, and this time it's all about the long-anticipated Osmo Pocket 4. While there hasn't been an official announcement yet, leaks and rumors are generating significant buzz. If even a fraction of these reports prove true, the Pocket 4 could mark a major leap forward in compact camera technology. Far from being a mere incremental update, this device has the potential to redefine mobile videography for vloggers, content creators, and anyone looking to enhance their video quality on the go. So, what exactly makes the DJI Pocket 4 a topic of such heated discussion? Let's break it down. One of the most exciting revelations about the Pocket 4 is its rumored design overhaul. While it will retain its pocket-friendly nature, the device is expected to be slightly larger, weighing approximately 190 grams. The increase in size is reportedly to accommodate a larger, more versatile screen, a potential 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen. Compared to the 2-inch display on the Pocket 3, this would be a significant improvement, making navigation and framing shots far more intuitive, even in bright sunlight. With a resolution of 480 by 800 pixels and brightness levels reaching 800 nits, the display could ensure clear visibility in various lighting conditions. Beyond the screen, DJI appears to be refining the overall ergonomics of the Pocket 4. An improved grip texture and optimized button placement should make extended shooting sessions more comfortable. For vloggers and travelers who rely on handheld shooting for hours at a time, this could be a welcome change. The camera is shaping up to be an ideal companion for those who need portability without compromising usability. Under the hood, the Pocket 4 is expected to pack a formidable punch with a 1-inch CMOS sensor and a 20mm f2.0 lens. This upgrade could significantly enhance image sharpness and low-light performance, ensuring crisp and detailed shots in any environment. Whether capturing footage in dimly lit interiors or under the bright midday sun, users can expect superior results. The rumored ISO range is another highlight, with reports suggesting a range of 50 to 6,400 for video and an extended 16,000 for stills. This expanded range would provide incredible flexibility, allowing for high-quality captures in challenging lighting conditions. Color fidelity also seems to be a priority, with support for 10-bit color depth, D-Log-M, and HDR recording. These features would give creators more control over color grading and post-production, ensuring greater creative freedom and richer visuals. Video capabilities might be getting a serious boost as well. If the rumors hold true, the Pocket 4 will support 4K recording at a staggering 240 frames per second, doubling the slow-motion capabilities of its predecessor. This means smoother cinematic slow-motion shots with exceptional detail, perfect for action scenes or creative storytelling. Additionally, with a new processor rumored to handle larger data rates, computational photography, and real-time HDR previews, workflow efficiency could see significant improvements. Autofocus has been a point of contention in previous Pocket models, with some users experiencing focus hunting issues. However, the Pocket 4 is said to incorporate phase detection autofocus and eye tracking, which would dramatically improve focusing reliability. Whether vlogging on a bustling street or capturing fast-moving subjects, the camera should be able to maintain smooth and accurate focus. For those who rely on intelligent subject tracking, the rumored Active Track 7.0 could be a game-changer. Combining phase detection with eye tracking, this feature could ensure precise subject tracking even in dynamic shooting conditions. If true, it would make the Pocket 4 an invaluable tool for vloggers and action shooters alike. Battery life is a critical factor for any portable camera, and the Pocket 4 seems poised to deliver notable improvements. Reports indicate a more efficient power management system, potentially allowing for longer recording times despite the increased screen size and processing power. Charging speed also appears to be a focal point. The Pocket 4 is rumored to support fast charging, reaching a full charge in just 25 minutes using DJI's PD charger. Compared to the 32-minute charge time of the Pocket 3, this would be a substantial improvement. Additionally, an enhanced heat management system is expected to prevent overheating, ensuring uninterrupted shooting sessions. DJI is renowned for its mechanical stabilization technology, and the Pocket 4 is expected to take it a step further. Combining advanced electronic stabilization algorithms with its mechanical gimbal system, this camera could deliver ultra-smooth footage even in high-motion scenarios. Whether executing fast camera movements or capturing action-packed scenes, stabilization should remain consistently reliable. With all these potential upgrades, the Pocket 4 is unlikely to come cheap. Current speculation suggests a price tag of $699 for the standard model and $799 for the Creator Combo. While this represents a price increase from the Pocket 3, the enhanced features may well justify the cost for serious creators in need of a portable yet powerful tool. As for the release timeline, DJI typically follows a 3-year product cycle. If the pattern holds, the Pocket 4 is expected to launch in late 2026 or early 2027. If the rumors turn out to be accurate, the wait might be well worth it. Based on the leaks, the DJI Pocket 4 appears to be more than just a minor refresh. From the larger display and improved ergonomics to the upgraded sensor and enhanced video capabilities, this camera seems designed with real-world users in mind. The combination of 10-bit color, improved autofocus, and high frame rate 4K recording could make it a powerhouse for creators looking for a compact yet capable device. For those who prioritize portability without sacrificing performance, the Pocket 4 could be a solid investment. While we'll have to wait for an official confirmation, the rumored features paint an exciting picture of what might be one of the most advanced handheld cameras yet. If these leaks hold true, the Pocket 4 could very well be a game changer in the world of mobile content creation. That's everything we know so far about the DJI Pocket 4. If the rumors pan out, it could strike the perfect balance between portability and performance, making it an indispensable tool for vloggers and filmmakers alike. What are your thoughts on these potential upgrades? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for reading, and stay tuned for more updates on the latest in camera technology.